sa panahong puno ng tensyon at pagbabago. Isang mensahe mula sa Pilipinas ang muling umalingaw-ngaw sa United Nations. Hindi tatagal ang kaunlaran kung walang batas at respeto sa karapatang pantao. Ito ang malinaw na paninindigan ng Pangulo sa harap ng mundo. Isang panawagan para sa diplomasiya, pagkakapantay-pantay at kapayapaan.
Excellencies, all our efforts will mean little, nor will they endure, without the rule of law and respect for human rights. The Philippines has consistently affirmed its resolute commitment to the rule of law and the promotion, protection, and respect of human rights. Our decision to join the United Nations 80 years ago was anchored in the belief that the rule of law is the beacon that guides our journey towards peace, security, and shared prosperity. We adhere to multilateralism. We uphold the UN Charter. As a responsible state party, we abide by the UN Convention on the Law of the Sea. We are steadfast in our dedication to diplomacy, the peaceful settlement of disputes, and the constructive management of differences to prevent escalation of disputes. We remain faithful to the principles of territorial integrity and the sovereign equality of all states. Our faith and commitment to the United Nations has never wavered in the 8 decades of our membership. We have always risen to the occasion whenever we are called. When the UN demands, the Philippines responds. At a time when the UN diplomats thought little of social issues and considered them unworthy of UN time, the Philippines insisted that social issues were the equal of economic ones. We spoke for vulnerable people of the world, bringing their views to the halls of the United Nations and inviting attention to their needs and their concerns.
Kapag tumatawag ang mundo, tumutugon ang Pilipinas. Boses para sa mga walang boses sa pandaigdigang entablado. Ito ang paninindigan ng isang bansang naniniwala sa batas at kapayapaan. Comment spotted kung suportado mo ang mensaheng ito.